الصلاة خير من النوم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will talk about Fraiz and Wajibat of Salah. The total Fraiz of prayer is 6 and the total Wajibat in namaz is 10. Before describing all these things, I will tell you about the difference between Fraiz and Wajibat. Basically, the Fraiz are the things which are compulsory to offer in prayer, and if we don't from any one of them, so we have to renew our salah. And the wajibat are also compulsory to offer in prayer, but if we forget to offer, so we have to offer Sajda sahab in namaz to complete it. So the total Fraiz in prayer are 6. First one is takbir tahrima. Takbir tahrima means to say Allahu Akbar while starting your prayer. If you will not say so, your prayer will not start, and if your prayer will not start, so it means that you have to renew, you have to reoffer your prayer. The second Fraiz in prayer is qiyam. Qiyam means to stand after saying Allahu Akbar for some while. And the third one is qiraat. Qiraat means to recite at least 3 verses from the Holy Quran, or 1 verse which is equal to the 3 verses. So that is qiraat. And the fourth one is ruku, and you are watching the position and gestures while ruku. And the fifth one is to sujood, the gestures while sujood you are watching on your screen. And the last and sixth one for us is qada akhira. Qada akhira means if you are offering the prayer of 4 raks, so in the last 2 raks, after the last 2 raks, you have to sit after sujood. So to sit after sujood is qada akhira. So that is also first in prayer. Now the wajibat of prayer. The first wajib of prayer is to recite Surah Al-Fatih. To recite any surah from Quran is first, and to specially recite Surah Al-Fatih is wajib in namaz. The second one is to merge any surah with Surah Al-Fatih. That is also wajib in prayer. And the third wajib is to recite Surah Al-Fatih before merging any other surah. It means you have to recite Surah Al-Fatih first, and then you have to recite any other surah. So now the fourth one is to recite the Holy Quran in the first 2 raks of Fraiz. It means if you are offering your Fraiz of 4 raks, so you have to recite the Holy Quran in first 2 raks. You will recite Surah Al-Fatih in all 4 raks, but the next 3 verses or the next surah you will recite in first 2 raks. And the next one is qada ula. As I described in Fraiz that qada akhira is first in prayer, so as it is, qada ula is wajib in prayer. After you, it means if you are offering 4 raks prayer, so after 2 raks you have to sit. It's called qada ula. So it is wajib in prayer. And the next one is to recite At-tahiyyatu lillahi wa salawatu wa tayyibatu assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi as-salihin ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. To recite this in qada akhira is wajib in prayer. And the next one is to sit in the mid of 2 sujood. While when you will offer your 2 sujood, to sit between 2 sujood for a while is called jalsa. So that is also in wajib in prayer. When we offer our prayer quickly, so most of the time we will not sit before 2 sujood for a while, so at that time our wajib will left. So we should must careful about it, and we should must sit before 2 sujood. So that is called jalsa. It's wajib in prayer. And the second last is to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah while ending your prayer. It's also wajib. And the last and the 10th one is while the offering of third rak of witr prayer in Isha, you have to recite dua al-qunut. So that is also wajib in the third rak of witr in Isha. If you will not recite, so your wajib will left, so you have to offer Sajda Sahab. And the method of Sajda Sahab I have described in another video, and I will give the link in the description of the method of Sajda Sahab, so you can watch from there. So now there is an Islamic method to save your faith. How you can save your faith? And some people pray to Allah that when they will die, so they must die with faith, with Islam. So if you should want that when you will die, so you will die on your iman, your Islam, your faith. So you must recite Hu Allahur Rahim after every prayer 7 times. After every prayer you must have to recite 7 times Hu Allahur Rahim to save your faith. So that's all for today. I hope you will learn so many things. If you have any question about these type of problems in namaz or any other Islamic problems, contact me on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel while using comment box, and on my Twitter. So that's all. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.